Hi everyone! Welcome to Monica's Singapore Kitchen. Today we will be cooking sticky oven barbecue pork ribs. This oven barbecue pork ribs is lathered with the most delicious homemade barbecue sauce with a kick of garlic and ginger and optional heat. Come along with me to see how this is made. First, we need to cook the pork ribs. So I have here 1.5 kg of pork ribs. Put it into boiling water. So we want to boil it for about 30 minutes. So meantime, we will prepare the basting sauce, which consists of half a cup of honey, quarter cup brown sugar, quarter cup soya sauce, half cup tomato ketchup, 2 tablespoons of black sweet rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon of 5 spice powder, 10 cloves of blended garlic, and 50 grams of blended ginger. So pour both of these into the pan. 1 tablespoon of chili powder. This is optional. If you are cooking for young children or people who do not eat chili, you can omit this. So you're going to boil this over medium heat for about 5 minutes. The idea is to get it into a thick sauce so that it coats the ribs very well. So after 5 minutes, it looks a lot more thick like so. And you can see that it forms a distinct line at the back of a spoon. So 30 minutes later, you can pick up your pork ribs. It's about 90% cooked. The boiling liquid can be reserved for cooking soup in the next day. So here we go. The pork ribs are boiled. Now you need to pat dry them before we put in the basting sauce. So meanwhile, we can also get ready a baking pan, line it with aluminum foil, brush it with a little bit of oil to prevent the ribs from sticking to the aluminum foil. So arrange the ribs in a regular array like so. Okay, so we're going to stick the ribs into the preheated oven, which is at 200 degrees Celsius, for 5 minutes to dry them. So after 5 minutes, it's a bit drier now, so we are going to baste the ribs on both sides with the basting sauce that we have prepared. So be generous here because this recipe has more than enough sauce, for us to be generous. So both sides, we are going to do the slathering of the sauce. So we're going to stick then the ribs into the oven and roast it for 10 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. So after the 5-minute mark, I'll pull it out and baste it again on both sides. Look at that! Sticky and gooey ribs. Arrange the ribs on a serving platter. It smells so good because of the 5 spices that we have added. You can garnish it with fresh chilies, spring onions, and sesame seeds, or you can also eat it on its own. These ribs are incredibly yummy and addictive that you will not stop at one. This dish will definitely be a finger-licking goodness in your next party. So enjoy, and until we meet again in another video, happy cooking!